Now that we have an idea of what we need for a media application, let's dive into some specifics. The first thing we need to decide on is what media player we are going to use. The Android framework provides a couple of options. The first is Media Player. Media Player provides the basic functionality for a bare-bones player that supports the most common audio and video formats and data sources. This player supports very little customization, but is very straightforward to use and is good enough for many simple use cases. Exoplayer is an open-source library that exposes the lower-level Android audio APIs. Exoplayer supports high-performance features like Dash and HLS, which are adaptive streaming technologies, but more on that later, which are not available in the Media Player. You can customize the Exoplayer code, making it easy to add new components. Exoplayer can only be used with Android version 4.1 and higher. If your use case is playing videos specifically from YouTube, you should check out the YouTube Developer APIs, which will be linked in the instructor's notes. You can also build a custom media player from low-level media APIs, such as Media Codec, Audio Track, and Media DRM, that suits the exact needs of your media application. You should choose the player that makes the most sense for your use case. Generally, the customizability of Exoplayer makes it the preferred choice, since its support of many different formats and extensible modular features makes it usable in almost every use case. Additionally, because Exoplayer is a library that you include in your application APK, you have control over which version you use, and you can easily update to a newer version as part of a regular application update. This is why this lesson will focus on implementing Exoplayer. However, many of the concepts are transferable to other players. In fact, the media session framework we discussed earlier will make swapping players a breeze.